Welcome to Found Video TV. Today we're going to show you how to build this 10-foot Garvee cantilever umbrella. This thing swivels 360. We adjust it like this. It even has lights built into it, which are awesome. And the swivel is right here. So you just basically swivel it like this. It comes with a base. We'll show you how to do all this in the video. So first step is to identify where you're going to put this thing. You do not want to move it after you set it up. So what I did was actually, we put the cross members together like this. And then we put the bases in this configuration and we filled these up with water. I did it this way because once it's done, we just basically fold them down and they're gonna fall right in place and hold everything in. Next thing we need to do is install this into these 4 holes right here. All right, 4 included screws, and we're gonna run these into the base. It does come with an Allen key. All right, so those 4 are in. All right, so the next step actually is to start laying these things down. Now you just lay them in place. Boom, base is in. Now we take this out, whoop, catch it, put this piece over to the, all right, so this is the actual umbrella. This does have lights, so we need to install the solar panel that it comes with, okay? So it's got 2 batteries here, and let's look at this together. So here we go. We'll plug this in like so, and then this should key in there and kind of rotate. All right, so now we're almost on the last step here. So then we're gonna take this. Yep, slides right on. Ba-bing. You lock it in place with this screw here, locks it in. And we have this, and this goes in here. Just slides in. Now, there we go, look at that. You can tilt it very easily with one hand. It's got a crank right here. And the best part is you can swivel this with just one hand. 360 degrees. It even comes with lights. All right, so that's how you build the 10-foot Garvee cantilever umbrella. Make sure you leave me a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm Mike, and I'm Garvee Cantilever Umbrella out.